Hello and welcome to Easypod English. Today, we will talk about a powerful method that can change your English speaking skills. This method is called English shadowing. If you understand English but still cannot speak fluently, this video is for you. Listen carefully. First, let me ask you a question. Do you listen to English videos, podcasts, or movies but still feel nervous when you speak? Do you know the words, but your mouth does not move? If yes, English shadowing can help you. So, what is English shadowing? English shadowing means listening to English and speaking at the same time. You listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately, without stopping. You do not translate. You do not think too much. You just follow the voice. Like a shadow follows a person, your voice follows the speaker. That is why it is called shadowing. Why is shadowing so powerful? Because it trains your brain and mouth together. Most students only train their brain. They listen and understand. But they do not train their mouth. Shadowing connects listening and speaking. That is the missing link. Now let me tell you why many students fail to speak English. They wait to speak perfect English. They think about grammar. They think about tense. They think about mistakes. And finally, they say nothing. Shadowing removes fear. Because you are not creating sentences, you are copying sentences. There is no pressure. There is no fear. How to practice English shadowing? Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Choose easy English. Do not start with fast movies or news. Start with slow and clear English. That is why this channel exists. Step 2. Listen once. Just listen to the audio, do not speak. Understand the meaning. Relax your mind. Step 3. Listen again and speak together. Play the audio again. Now speak with the speaker. Do not stop. Do not pause. If you miss a word, continue speaking. Do not go back. Step 4. Repeat daily. Practice for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Not 1 hour, not 2 hours. Just 10 minutes. Consistency is more important than long practice. You may feel uncomfortable at first. Your pronunciation may sound strange. Your speed may be slow. That is normal. Every good speaker was once a beginner. Now let me tell you what will happen after 30 days. Your listening will improve. Your pronunciation will improve. Your confidence will increase. And one day, you will speak English without fear. But remember one thing, shadowing works only if you do it daily. 1 day practice will not help. 2 days practice will not help. Daily practice will help. Now, I want you to make a promise. From today, you will practice English shadowing every single day. You will watch 1 video daily. You will repeat after the speaker. You will not skip. 5 minutes a day can change your English. English is not difficult. It is a habit. Build the habit, and English will become natural. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to Easypod English for daily English shadowing practice.